Financial freedom is a dream for many. The ability to live life on your own terms without the constant pressure of money hanging over your head. In 2025, this goal is increasingly achievable due to advancements in financial technology, a shift toward remote work, and growing awareness around investing and money management. However, the journey to financial freedom requires deliberate planning, commitment, and smart decision-making. In this video, we will outline a comprehensive roadmap to achieving financial freedom by 2025, exploring the steps you need to take, common mistakes to avoid, and the strategies that can fast-track your path to independence. 1. Understanding financial freedom. Before diving into the steps to achieve financial freedom, it's important to understand what it truly means. Financial freedom doesn't just refer to having a lot of money. It's about having enough passive income to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional 9-to-5 job. One of the biggest barriers to financial independence is debt. Achieving financial freedom often involves becoming debt-free, whether through paying off credit cards, student loans, or mortgages. Building income streams beyond a salary can provide more stability and increase wealth over time. Stocks, real estate, or businesses is crucial to financial freedom. Passive income generated from these investments should cover your monthly living expenses. This occurs when your investments and income-generating assets are sufficient to cover your lifestyle without needing to work for a paycheck. 2. Set clear financial goals. The first step to achieving financial freedom by 2025 is to set clear, measurable financial goals. Take some time to visualize where you want to be financially by the end of 2025. Consider these questions. How much passive income do you need to support your lifestyle? Do you want to retire early or work part-time? What lifestyle choices do you envision once you're financially free? Traveling, pursuing hobbies, etc. Break goals into actionable steps. Once you have your vision, break it down into actionable financial goals. For example, your goals might include paying off $10,000 in debt in the next year, building a $100,000 investment portfolio by 2025, starting a side hustle or business that generates $2,000 a month in passive income by 2025. By breaking large goals into smaller, achievable steps, you can create a roadmap that makes financial freedom seem more attainable. 3. Eliminate debt. Especially high-interest consumer debt like credit cards can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom. The interest on this debt compounds quickly, making it difficult to save or invest effectively. The first priority should be to pay off any high-interest debt. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on others. Once the smallest debt is paid off, move on to the next one, gaining momentum as you go. Pay off the highest interest debt first. This method saves you more money on interest over time, but may feel slower. Consolidation. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consider consolidating them into one loan with a lower interest rate. By tackling debt strategically, you can free up more money to invest and save, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. 4. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net and allows you to take risks, such as pursuing entrepreneurial ventures or changing jobs, without the fear of going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. By 2025, you should aim to have an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If saving 3 to 6 months of expenses feels daunting, set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account to make saving consistent and effortless. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas in your budget where you can reduce spending to allocate more toward your emergency fund. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and allows you to focus on longer-term financial goals. 5. Create multiple income streams. Relying solely on a paycheck from a job is no longer a sustainable way to achieve financial freedom. Creating multiple income streams is key to building wealth faster and achieving financial independence by 2025. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or creating an online business, side hustles can generate additional income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy offer opportunities to monetize skills and interests. Real estate investment. Real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income. Whether through rental properties or house flipping, real estate is an attractive option for building wealth. Investing in stocks. Dividend-paying stocks can generate a passive income stream. ETFs and mutual funds are also great options for hands-off investing. Start a business. While more involved, starting your own business can lead to greater financial independence and freedom. Focus on scalable business models, such as e-commerce, digital products, or online services. The key is to diversify your income streams to reduce reliance on any single source. This helps build financial security and accelerates your path to financial freedom. 6. Invest wisely. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. By 2025, you should aim to have a solid investment strategy in place that includes a mix of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and possibly alternative investments like cryptocurrency. Invest in diversified portfolios through index funds or ETFs that track major market indices. This strategy provides broad exposure to the market with lower risk than individual stocks. Rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can offer passive income and long-term appreciation. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum can offer high growth potential. Only allocate a small portion of your portfolio to high-risk assets like crypto. Max out contributions to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. These accounts provide tax advantages and long-term growth potential. Investing in a variety of assets allows you to grow wealth while managing risk. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound. 7. Control your spending. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about earning more money. It's also about managing what you already have. Controlling your spending is critical to building wealth and saving for the future. Track your spending. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track where your money is going each month. This will help you identify areas to cut back. Financial freedom doesn't require a lavish lifestyle. Live frugally by cutting unnecessary luxuries and focusing on spending that aligns with your long-term goals. As you earn more, avoid the temptation to increase your spending. Instead, put any raises or bonuses into savings or investments. Living below your means and controlling your spending allows you to save and invest more, speeding up your path to financial freedom. Join communities or networks of people who share your financial goals. Learning from others' experiences can help you avoid mistakes and stay motivated. Achieving financial freedom by 2025 is possible, but it won't happen overnight. Consistency and patience are essential. Stick to your plan, adjust as necessary, and stay committed to your long-term vision. By taking a holistic approach to managing your money, eliminating debt, building emergency savings, investing wisely, and creating multiple income streams, you can achieve financial freedom by 2025. It will take dedication, smart planning, and discipline, but the rewards will be worth the effort. Start today and take control of your financial future.